Okay, hey YouTube, it's me again, and I am going to show you how to make a Hamachi, Logmein, and a Bukkit server. So,
me.
that's my friend, and hey, what's your YouTube account name?
Oh, Jesus, man, I don't know. I just created it. I'll get back.
Okay, I'll put a link in the description to his channel when he figures what it is. And, okay, and,
So pathetic. Anyways, continue.
okay, so first things first, you're gonna need Hamachi. So, Logmein. Right now, all you're gonna need to do is turn it on, and then this is for Mac too, so I kind of closed the program earlier, so it takes a while to load. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Network, create a new network, and name it whatever you want. Put the password as whatever you want, and you click Create. I already have like 4 up, so I'm just gonna get rid of some of these. Some stuff that I don't need. Okay. There. And once you're done that, all you have to do is give the name and the password to your friends, and then they'll be able to access your server. Oh yeah, and another thing, when you go on to Hamachi, right here is their IP. So, like this right here is what your friends are going to type in to get on your server. And let's get started. So first you're going to go to bukkit.com, bukkit.org, and you're just going to find the newest Bukkit, like, download. Once you're done with that, you're going to go into where you saved it to. So I saved it to here, right in here, and you put it in its own file like I did. So, like, I'm just gonna make a new one, Craft Bukkit. Good. And that's what you do. Then you put the craftbukkit.jar in here. And then once you run it, you'll see all of this crap. Like, all of this stuff. And server.properties. So server.properties, all this does is it tells you what you can and can't do on the server. So allow nether, true or false, that's pretty self-explanatory. Level name is like what world you had. So if you have like different types of worlds and it says like maybe you want to play It's Better Together, then you type in It's Better Together onto the level name here, and then you can play it over here without having to rename all your levels. You shouldn't want to mess with server IP, that's kind of not too good. Spawn NPCs, that's true for me. That means that animals can spawn. Whitelist is this right here, the whitelist, and that means that nobody else that isn't on this list, like anybody that isn't on this list, can't get on your server. That's pretty straightforward. PvP, true or false. PvP is player versus player, so that means you can punch people in the face, and you can't punch people in the face if it's false. Difficulty, I'm pretty sure 0 is peaceful, and it goes up to hard, which is 2 or 3, I think. And game mode is 0 or 1. 0 is survival, 1 is creative. Max players, I set mine for 2 because I was making while I was recording, and that's pretty easy. I'm putting mine at 20 right now. Spawn monsters, I put that at false because we didn't want any. And view distance is 10, and your MODT is what will pop up, so like basically your server name. So I'm gonna put like my new server, and that's what it'll be called. That's easy enough. That's all you're gonna need to know. So I'll put a link to this in the description if I can find it. Start command. Okay. So this is what you're gonna need to start the server. I changed the settings right here to something that actually suited my needs, like because it wasn't running fast enough. So I'm gonna try and change the font size if I can. No, I can't. Okay, I'll put a link in the description in case you can't read it. So I changed the amount of RAM that I need. Another way to find this command here is to click on your Minecraft and click on Minecraft.net. It'll take you here and then go to download. And here's the command right here at the bottom of the page, the very last words. You don't copy with, but you copy Java to no GUI period. That's what you gotta copy. And then you go into terminal and you paste that. So once you paste it, oh wait, no, I forgot a step. I'm gonna get rid of this. Right before that, you're gonna have to type in CD in your terminal and CD space where you put it. So I put mine in Minecraft Bukkit in the file Craft Bukkit, but yours might be on your desktop, so you do CD space desktop, and then you'd press enter. Then you'd press CD space Craft Bukkit if your file's named Craft Bukkit, and that'll bring you inside of this. So then you're gonna want to paste the command and press enter, and it'll start loading a bunch of stuff. And that's just all these files, and that's what tells it to do stuff. Then you're pretty much done. To test if it works, you can go onto here, and to test if it works out for yourself, you go, you can direct connect or do something else, but you type in localhost, so localhost, and join server, and you will go onto your server. And this is just my server. It's pretty simple.
Dude, I've been doing everything you're saying right now.
And yeah, but you have a PC.
Yeah, but I can still do what you're saying.
Terminal is that whatever thing is where you can find your IP. Oh yeah, and the good thing about Hamachi is you don't even need to find your IP because it's right here, and that's what people type in to get on your server. So that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to explain. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Goodbye!